Honorable members, I have to inform that considering historic importance of the proceedings today, in addition to the existing panel of Vice-Chairpersons, I am seeking assistance of the following honorable members as Vice-Chairpersons for the day. Srimati P.T. Usha, Srimati S. Fagnon Konyak, Srimati Jaya Bachchan, Sushri Sroz Pandey, Srimati Rajni Ashok Rao Patil, Dr. Fozia Khan, Sushri Dola Sen, Sushri Indubala Goswami, Dr. Kani Moji NVN Somu, Sushri Kavita Patidar, Srimati Mawa Maji, Dr. Kalpana Seni, Srimati Sulta Dev. They all will have occasion, along with the panel, to be on the chair for some time and emanate a message to the larger world that they were in commanding position at a time when this historic theater, epochal change was taking place.